Packvertising, again, this is new word, of course, mixing two aspects. One is coming from advertising, another is coming from packaging. It's basically juxtaposition of packaging, pack, advertising, vertising, it become packvertising. So the question is, why do we need this new field? There is a reason why we are harping on this new field and why we are building this new field. You see, advertising has got a great power. We all understand the power of advertising. All the big brands, all the brands, what we are aware about, most of them, they are because of their advertising. Now, on the other hand, if you see, we have been consuming products from packagings because this modern economy, most of our consumer products comes in a packaging. In this case, we have too many options today. That's in one way it is a good because as a consumer you have a choice. And at the same time, if you see when you have these choices, how do you make those choices in the sense, how do you pick up the one which you like or which you want? I think that is where packvertising come into play. It will basically advertise itself that what it is, what is that promise it is delivering on, and why you should opt for it. It gives you rational and emotional reasons why you should opt for this over this one. Of course, still, you as a consumer have 100% power to choose which one you want. But before you make a choice, packvertising or a packaging design is telling you about itself so that when you're making decision, you can consider what really works well for you. Got the point? So packvertising is all about bringing the power of advertising, the sense, the quality of communication, giving the message to the prospective audience, power of that to a packaging design. Packaging design is one of the biggest brand touch point for consumer products. So you bring that clarity or power of advertising to the packaging design so that your packaging works fantastically in the market. It does the salesman duty and does communicate what it is. This is something very strange. If I say it, some of you may not agree with. See, the good thing, somebody says if the product is good, you don't need to do marketing. Let me tell you, if product is good, that is when you need a more marketing. People are by default tend to pick up bad things, but good things, they need a more push to become part of our lifestyle. We all know exercising every day is good for health. How many of you guys do it? Somebody has to tell you again and again. We all know eating healthy is good. How many of going for a healthy food than the junk food? Got the point. Good needs more advertising support than the other way around. Got the point? So packvertising is all about bringing power of advertising on the packaging so that your packaging become a spokesperson for your brand and speaks to a prospective consumer. That's the moral of the story. Thanks for listening.